want to thank the brand so much for sending these compression packing cubes. I'm excited to use them on my next camping trip. I've always used packing cubes for my travels, but this is the first time I've used a compression set. And what that means is not only is there a regular zipper, access to the inside, so there's the regular zipper in there and then the compression zipper. Once you get everything in there, then you pull the compression zipper. And what I have here is a full week of clothes. It's going to be 90s some days, and then the second half of the trip, a cold front's coming in, and we're not going to get out of the 40s. Basically, I need 2 or 3 outfits for each day, so this is kind of ridiculous, but that's where I'm at this season. This is everything that I fit in my carry-on bag because of these compression bags. So I've got several pairs of rolled-up shorts, a pair of jeans, a pair of sweats, 2 pairs of other pants, underwear, pajamas, bras and socks, several tank tops, and several shirts. And all of this fit in the compression bags and in this carry-on.